This Coldwell Banker High Country Realty property video is presented by Carol Robinson. Discover this beautifully updated 2-bed/2-bath chalet boasting spectacular long-range mountain views. The main level has the master bedroom, complete with a walk-in closet and main-level laundry with new washer and dryer, ensures convenience and comfort. The living room features a stunning stacked stone gas log fireplace and large windows that fill the space with natural light. The kitchen is equipped with newer appliances, just 4 years old. The home features durable wood floors and Hardie board-style siding for low maintenance. Upstairs, you'll find a second bedroom with breathtaking mountain views, a full bathroom with a tub/shower combo, and a versatile bonus room. Outside, relax in the beautiful gardens while soaking in the serenity of nature and mountain vistas. The property offers privacy without being too remote, with a double-fenced yard and a gated driveway entrance for added security. Conveniently located, the mostly paved road leads you just minutes to downtown Hayesville, Lake Chatuge, and a short drive to historic Murphy, North Carolina, and Hiawassee, Georgia. This mountain retreat offers the perfect blend of modern comfort and natural beauty. Recently appraised. For more information, review the details below or contact